Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable features in Google Chrome. So once you're inside Google Chrome, if you want to go ahead and turn on any features within Google Chrome, all you have to do is simple type in Chrome // flags. Once you enter that section, once you enter that in this address bar, you will be taken over to the Chrome features. And as you can see right here, these are features within Google Chrome that you can enable to enhance Google Chrome. So there's a whole load of different features that you can go ahead and scroll through, and you can even search for some features if you know them as well. These are the available ones, and these are the ones that are no longer available. So you can see them right here as well. But if you're looking to enhance Google Chrome and to enable features, you can go ahead and go to flags // flags, and you can find all the available features within Google Chrome that you can enable to enhance Google Chrome. And that's pretty much it, guys. To enable one, just simply click towards the right hand side where you either have defaults or disabled, and you can click the drop down and you can enable and disable them. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.